Somewhere along the line, meringues got a reputation of being finicky, even difficult. Don't believe it. Watch along and you'll see just how easy they are. Plus, a bit later in the video, I share how I get such a consistent great shape on all my 3 and 4 leaf shamrocks. Hang in with me, it'll be worth it. Let's get started. We begin with 4 large egg whites. Separate them into a clean, dry bowl. Now, it's really important. The whites will not do their magic if there is the slightest bit of yolk or any other fat present. I have learned to separate my eggs over a small bowl, and as each egg separates cleanly, I transfer it to the larger mixing bowl. If I wait to transfer them all at once, I run the risk of ruining those first ones if one of the last eggs doesn't separate cleanly. So I've got those all in the large bowl, and then you add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar to the egg whites. Now you need to wait for your egg whites to warm up to room temperature. So while you're waiting, now is a great time to arrange your oven racks to the top third and the bottom third level in your oven, and set your oven to preheat at 225. That's right, 225. We're going to bake them low and long. You want them to dry out and get a delicate, crispy coating, but not brown. Then print out your shamrock outlines. These pages are available in the free printables library on my website, and there's a link down below. Just click the see more and you'll get to that one just fine. And now's a good time to get your cookie sheets ready. Grab the cookie sheets. I used 3, you might use 2, it all depends. And your parchment paper to roll out on top of your cookie sheets and set those aside. And then grab your pastry bag. Whether you're going to use a bag or just a plastic bag that you have and clip the corner, that's fine too. I have mine fitted with my pastry tip, my Wilton tip, and I fold down the cuff nice and deep and have it ready to load my meringue in. And of course, alternatively, if you don't want to do piping, you can always drop the meringue in dollops on your cookie sheets, trying to get a little of that signature twist on the top that you always see. Think of it as an oversized Hershey's Kiss. And then you can sprinkle a little glitter, edible glitter, or sprinkles on top, and that will be very festive too. And you are ready to go. Now back to your egg whites. Start at a medium speed and slowly increase up to high. After a few minutes, they are forming soft peaks. Add your flavoring. Then we're going to add the sugar, but just 1 tablespoon at a time, waiting maybe 30 seconds to even a minute between each addition. You want it to go very slowly. Continue beating until they form meringue's signature stiff peaks. Don't worry, it's impossible to overbeat them. Let's test your egg whites and see if the meringue is ready. Pull a spatula through the top of your meringue and pull it out with a little twist, and you should have a nice peak that remains upright. If it does, then you're good to go. Now is the time to add some food coloring if you